Thanks for joining us today. Just wanted to do a quick video for our customers here, distinctive detailing on how to properly care for their corrected and coated cars that we've done. We use quite a bit of different products for this process, and so we just wanted to make a quick video on what products we use and then do some follow-up videos on exactly how to use those products properly to maintain their vehicle in the scratchless form as long as possible. So these three particular products we're going to go over on this video are Echo2, which is diluted down in this spray bottle, CarPro Elixr, and then CarPro Reload. So we're going to start off first with Echo2. This particular product here is shipped in concentrated form. We dilute it down into any spray bottle you want. This particular one is the CarPro dilute bottle, and you can dilute it down to different forms for waterless wash, for a quick detailer, and also using for claying purposes. So we're going to actually talk about it in regards to a quick detailer purpose. And this particular spray bottle, if you look here, the reason why I love them and give them to my customers is because it actually has the dilution ratio here on the side of the bottle. So what I like to do is you fill the water up to 1 to 10, and then you fill the Echo2 concentrate up to this top line, and that gives you a 10-to-1 mixture ratio to be able to enjoy all the properties that you want for this particular product. So this product, the reason why we use it is to maintain lubricity between the panel and the towel when we're trying to wipe dirt off, dust, or anything like that. So this particular product, it has cleaners in it. It also has agents to, like I said, make a slicker encapsulate the dirt, and that way when we wipe the panel, we're not scratching the panel, or we're reducing the risk of scratching the panel. So this is CarPro Reload. This is an SiO2 based sealant, and this is what we use on top of coatings, and you can also use on regular paint. This particular sealant will give you anywhere between 3 to 4 months of protection, SiO2 protection on your vehicle or coating. It reintroduces hydrophobics, and then also actual protection itself for the paint or for the coating. CarPro Elixr just came out here recently. It is a great product, and it is pretty much a mixture of CarPro Reload along with CarPro Echo2. So instead of wiping down our car with Echo2 after the wash process and then doing Reload afterward, we can actually have one product do both properties. So what I tell my customers is if you're just lightly wiping down the car for dust purposes, fingerprints, things like that, where it's not really that dirty, you may have some dust purposes, this is where we're going to use Elixr, right? Because the car is really not that dirty. We're just, again, wiping some of those contaminants off, light contaminants off, and then leaving behind that nice protection that we like from Reload. If you have a car that's actually dirty, we want to go ahead and use Echo2 first, get that panel clean, and then go back and use Reload, or again, we can use Elixr for the same types of properties. So again, these two products, Reload and Elixr, are shipped in regular usable form, and our Echo2 is in concentrated form. So we're going to dilute it down to be able to use it accordingly. So we appreciate you joining us. We're going to do some follow-up videos on how to use these different products on your car properly. If you have any questions, you like and comment, share the video below, and we appreciate you joining us and look forward to seeing you on the next video.